safety and healthy. So today all are talking about friends and friendship. So let's start this session, the table topic master session. So since I could not find any volunteers, so can I at least now can I get a response from Toastmasters volunteers for table topic session? Yeah, just 30 seconds for you, so you can drop your name. Hello. Yeah, volunteers can drop their name in chat box. Yeah, I can see Manoj sir can his response. So Manoj sir, hello.
Yes, Toastmaster Pallavi. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So since today everyone are talking about friendship, I'll give you a topic based on the friendship. So the first thing you shared with your friend. Yeah, I repeat again. The first thing you shared with your friend. Yeah, sir, I think you understood.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah,
I will take 30 seconds to think over and start my speech. So my 30 seconds will start now. Okay, good afternoon, Toastmasters. The topic given for me is what is the first thing that I shared with my friend. Toastmaster Pallavi, yes, it was an epic comedy. There was a friend for me in class 8. His name was Pani Chetan. He is presently a lawyer. I had actually shared with him, that is, there was a class teacher called Uma Madam. So she had actually beaten me like something for not writing the Hindi homework. So what I did was I actually came to him and I shared him that really I did the homework, but I had torn the pages off and it was a lie. And he actually found out it. And what this guy did was he went to the ma'am and told that this guy had written already, but he has lied it once again. Like that, he went and told to my Uma ma'am. So finally, she called me to the staff room, banged me right and left, and left me out. So that was the thing that I first shared with him, which was a lie, and also I got beaten up very severely. So this was the first thing which I shared with my friend. So friends are really very less for me. Now I have very few friends with me who are very trustable, valuable, and I really love them. And whatever may come, so I will share with them. I'll get feedback from them, and the life moves on. So I am very happy to share that I have very few friends, but very lovable friends, and very important for my life. So by this, I end my speech. Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you, Toastmaster Pallavi. Over to you.
sir. That's so comic and the incredible thing which you shared. So next volunteer. Hello.
We have Suraj and Siddharth.
Suraj. Oh yeah, thank you, sir. Suraj sir. At Toastmaster Suraj sir.
Yeah, yes, Toastmaster Pallavi.
Yeah, yes, sir. Your topic is how your friends play their role in your life. I repeat again, how your friends play their role in your life. Suraj sir.
I will take 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Good evening Toastmaster, is I'm audible?
Yes,
Request
audible. Go ahead.
because it is echoing.
Okay, hello. I'm also able to hear the echo, but I don't know from where it's coming. Okay, so let me start. Hi, hello, my Toastmaster fellows, and a happy Friendship Day to all. And I thank you, Toastmaster Pallavi, for giving me such a incredible topic. That is, what is the role you expect from a friend, or what is the role you got it from the friend? Okay, so let me tell the story of Kuchela and Krishna, as already told by Rajendra. When Kuchela was the friends, the Krishna and Kuchela was a very good friend, and they were aparted after their education, and Krishna started his building up empire, and Kuchela was in his village. But Kuchela was so poor that his wife told that you have a friend like Krishna, why you don't ask him for support, for financial support. So Kuchala was telling, no, I cannot go, I cannot ask. But she forced it, then Kuchala has gone there. But while reaching there, Krishna was so heartily whelmed that he welcomed him very happily, and he got the what he called, he brought avalaki for him, and he ate it very nicely. And after the day, he sent him to his village. When Kuchala came back to his village, he understood that that's completely changed. Krishna has already built a very good house for him, and very wealthy. So the Kuchala was, because Krishna has understood what is his problem. Even Kuchala was not asked, but he has provided all the support. So I definitely want those kind of friends who understand the pain behind your silence, and he understand the sorrow behind your smile. And definitely I have lot of friends, and with me also, they are encouraging me and they are support me on through my life. In the college, I had lot of friends. Okay, with this, I'll stop my topic. Thank you, Mr. Pallavi.
That's so good that you are comparing with Krishna and Kuchela. Yeah, let's move to next topic. Yeah, that is Siddharth sir. Toastmaster Siddharth sir. Hello.
Yes, Toastmaster Pallavi.
Yes, sir. Yeah, your topic is, how did you meet your best friend? Repeat again. How did you meet your best friend? Hello, Siddharth sir.
Yes. I'm very much here.
It's yours. Yeah, you can take 30 seconds
So
and start your.
I'd like to start right away. Very good evening to all my fellow Toastmasters. You all a very happy and fruitful day. I hope this friendship lasts long forever and ever. And yes, meeting my best friend is, I would like to say, happened at school. So school is the place where you get to meet people, and you get to meet persons, you get to meet personalities. And I have the honor of cherishing some very well known personalities whom I would like to call best friends. And they were the ones who made up my day every time, whether I was sad, whether I was happy, whether I was excited. And they always provided the perfect balance for me at school. School used to be absolute fun. And in fact, there is one online meeting which is actually scheduled after this Toastmaster session as well with my school friends. So we still catch up with each of us. And though we are far apart, by heart, we are always connected. So yes, friends at school will be like your childhood friends forever. And they are the friends who always been there for me whether in turmoil, whether at good times, whether at bad times. So I would just like to sum it up by saying that a ship that never sails but sits on the lap of a stormy sea. So that is what I would like to define as friendship, which is the most delicate relationship. And I'm pretty well honored to have such good friends in my circle. Thank you. Thank you so much.
An amazing. So, yeah, thank you, Siddharth sir, and an amazing explanation by you. And so, our next table topic master is Manish sir. As Toastmaster Manish sir.
Yeah, thank you, Toastmaster Pallavi. I'm here.
Yeah, your topic is the importance of yourself. The
Sorry,
importance.
can you repeat?
Of,
Hello.
hello,
Toastmaster
sir.
Pallavi, can you repeat it?
The importance of yourself. Yes, sir. Understood or should I repeat again?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Toastmaster Pallavi. I got the topic. Just I'll take 30 seconds to start it.
Yeah, okay, so you can take.
Yeah, good afternoon, Toastmasters. Is it audible?
Yes, you are right.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, good afternoon, Toastmasters. Thank you, Pallavi, for giving an opportunity to be part of this. So, important of myself. Yes, I'm very much important to my family, firstly. So, as I'm only son to my family, father and mother, and I'm playing a major role in my family where I need to take care of my parents and my wife and a child and my kid. So future, we need to build up our future for my son. I need to give my time to my family where I need to develop his future. And I'm so much important to be a part of my family. Then comes my friends and to my profession. So many of my friends as a friendship day, that helped me a lot during my school days, college days, and then during my tough times, where I need to support them at their difficulties and their time. So I feel I'm very much important to my friends, family a lot. So thank you.
Yeah, that's so good, and you're playing a major role in your life that very few can play that role. You're taking care fully family. Yeah. So now let's call a new member. That's Toastmaster Archana. She's available. Archana ma'am, am I audible? Hello?
She is available, Toastmaster.
Okay, sir. Toastmaster Archana. Ah. Can I get a response from her? Hello? Toastmaster
Is it-
Archana.
Is it to respond?
Yeah. Toastmaster Archana. Waiting for your response. Yeah, let's move. We can take another person.
There are other newbies, Toastmaster Asgar, Toastmaster
yeah,
Gunashekar.
Asgar sir can reply. Toastmaster Asgar. Hello. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Then Toastmaster Asgar sir. Can we get a response? Yeah, it's okay. Toastmaster Chetan sir.
Yes, Toastmaster Pallavi. Okay,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
ready.
Yeah, your topic is it good to make judgments about people based on appearance? I repeat again. Is it good to make judgment about people based on appearance? Sir, I think you got it. Should I repeat
Yeah,
again?
I got it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
got
thank
it,
you.
got it. Yes, I will start my speech. First of all, thank you very much, Toastmaster Pallavi, for giving me a good topic. That is, it's good to make judgment about people based on appearance. It's certainly not. I would like to justify how it is not. One of our famous speaker, which I like to listen always, that is Gaur Gopal Das. He told me one story. That is, a school boy. He had one mango in his bag. Then in the maths class, teacher asked one question. He asked him, dear kid, I forgot his name. If I give two mangoes, later again, if I give two more mangoes, how much will be mangoes will have at the end? The boy said, five. The teacher got angry. Again, she asked, no, if I give two mangoes, after some time, if I give another two mangoes, 2 plus 2, how much mango you'll have at the end? Again, he said 5. Then she changed that. She thought that he doesn't like mango. Let me try with strawberry. Then she asked again, dear kid, if I give two strawberry, again after if I give two more strawberries, what will be the total strawberry at the end? He replied 4. Then she got confused. Again, she asked the same question with mangoes only. He asked her, he said again 5 mangoes. Then she told that when I asked about strawberry, you said 4, 2 plus 2, 4. Then I asked about mangoes, you are telling 5. How come? Then he replied, Madam, already in my bag I'm having one mango. That is why, based on the appearance, we should not judge anything. We should understand this, what is it? Think, what is script also we should understand. Say, for example, if many people will see me and think he's a very rough guy like that, but normally I'm not like. By seeing a person or situation, we should not judge anything and come to in trouble. With this, I conclude my top speech. Thank you very much, Toastmaster Pallavi. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. An incredible story explained by hello Toastmasters. So an incredible story explained by Chetan sir. So with this, I'll conclude this table topic session. So hope all are enjoyed with this. So let me hand over this session to TMOD of the day. That's Rajendra sir, Toastmaster Rajendra sir. Thank you.